Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space you've created for yourself, you can begin to notice the gentle rhythm of your own breathing. In and out. There's no need to change it or force it. Simply allowing your awareness to rest upon that natural, life-giving rhythm. In and out. And with each exhale, you can feel a subtle release, a letting go of any tension you might have been carrying in your shoulders, your jaw, your forehead. And with each inhale, you welcome in a sense of calm, a sense of safety, a knowing that in this moment all is well. It's now with Messick gains at more focused and furred night. And with each inhale, you welcome in a sense of calm, a sense of safety, a knowing that in this moment, all is well. You can begin to notice the points of contact between your body and the surface supporting you. The solid, steady support beneath you. And you can allow that feeling of being fully supported. You might recall a moment. It doesn't have to be a grand moment. Just a simple moment when you felt a flicker of genuine appreciation. Perhaps it was the warmth of sunlight on your skin, the sound of a loved one's laughter, the comfort of your bed at the end of a long day, a cool drink of water when you were thirsty, and as you recall that moment now, you can allow the memory to become vivid. See what you saw then, hear what you heard, and most importantly, begin to feel what you felt then. That gentle, warm spark of appreciation in your heart center. And you can allow that feeling to grow just a little warmer, a little brighter. It's a soft light within your chest, a gentle warmth. And as you breathe in, imagine breathing directly into that warm, bright feeling, feeding it with your attention, with your breath. And as you breathe out, you send that warmth flowing through your entire body, down your arms to your fingertips, down through your torso and legs to your toes, up through your neck and into your mind, calming your thoughts. It's feeling. This is your gratitude, your innate capacity for deep appreciation, and it is always here within you, waiting to be noticed, and you are noticing it now. And now, I invite you to gently press your thumb and forefinger together on your right hand. Go ahead and do that now. And as you hold this gentle pressure, you link this physical sensation directly to that now. Let that feeling of gratitude settle like a golden mist within you. And from this fertile ground of appreciation, joy naturally springs. Think of a time when you felt a pure, uncomplicated spark of joy. And maybe it was a sudden surprise that delighted you, the accomplishment of a small task, the beauty of a piece of music, the sight of something that made you smile from the inside out. Access that memory now. Let it fill your mind's eye and feel the corresponding sensation in your body. Where do you feel this joy? Is it a lightness in your chest? A bubbling energy in your stomach? A smile that wants to spread across your face without you even trying? Find it. Locate the physical home of your joy. I am a magnet for miracles, and I find them in the ordinary moments of my day. The steam rising from my morning cup is a miracle. The functioning of my body as I move is a miracle. The ability to see, to hear, to feel is a profound gift I now fully appreciate. With every breath I take, I am breathing in thankfulness and breathing out joy. My heart is an open vessel, constantly filling with appreciation for the incredible journey of my life. My life, I choose to see the world through the lens of gratitude. And because of this, my world is constantly becoming more beautiful, more abundant, and more friendly. Challenges become opportunities for growth. Setbacks become lessons wrapped in kindness, and every person I meet is a teacher, reflecting a part of myself back to me. My body knows how to feel joy. It remembers. It is a natural state of my nervous system to be at peace, to be light, to be open to delight. I allow joy to flow through me like a clear, sparkling stream, cleansing away any residue of worry or heaviness. I am deeply grateful for my past, for every experience has shaped the wise, resilient, and compassionate person I am today. I release all resistance to what was, and in that release, I make space for more joy in what is. Abundance flows to me easily and naturally because I recognize and appreciate the abundance that is already here. My gratitude forsen am case to a hisokot. My minded days was quickstest tide to told it said story. the abundance of air in my lungs, the abundance of possibilities in every new day. My gratitude is a powerful force. It transforms my health, my relationships, and my reality. I find, to me, I focus on what it sembasalfes torts and Niantekil 4000. My mind is my health past of my mind at the people's salt and cheft softerana, and I theme myself now, and I cased it is my natural state when I am free from the weight of ungrateful thoughts, and I am freeing myself now with every affirming breath. I find joy in simplicity, in stillness, in the space between thoughts. It's spaced to say were I took, to sate me easily, my mind is. My mind os quest on the colata face, and I, and stillness and space between thoughts. Though I toost space is high about my mind. They use quas its store high, that to die be cased, yes, even in moments of quiet or solitude, I am never alone, for I am filled with the joyful company of my own peaceful spirit. I now gently press my thumb and forefinger together, the gratitude anchor, and feel that warm, bright light instantly glow in your heart center. Stronger now, more accessible. You are grateful. You are appreciation in human form. Release. And now, press your thumb and middle finger together, the joy anchor, and feel that bubbling light, expansive energy instantly rise within you, effortlessly, automatically. You are joyful. You carry an inner sun that cannot be clouded over for long. Release. Now, press both anchors together. Thumb, forefinger, and middle finger. And feel the powerful fusion, the synergy of gratitude and joy, merging into one unstoppable force within you, and feel the powerful fusion, the synergy of gratitude and joy, merging into one unstoppable force within you. This is your state of graceful, joyful living. This is your default setting being restored. Gratitude fuels joy. Joy deepens gratitude. They are one beautiful self-sustaining cycle within your being. Where you can release and the feeling remains. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Until we meet again in stillness.